Bus Pass, Unveiled, your ticket to understanding. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to explore the phrase, bus pass. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's jump right in. A bus pass is a ticket or a card that allows someone to travel on a bus for a certain period of time. This could be for a single day, a week, a month, or even longer. It's a convenient way for regular travelers to save money and time, as they don't need to buy a ticket every time they board the bus. Daily Pass. This is valid for one day and lets the holder travel unlimited times on the bus during that day. Weekly, Monthly Pass. These are longer-term passes allowing unlimited rides for a week or a month, respectively. Student Pass, offered at discounted rates for students. They often need to show their school or college ID to purchase and use this pass. Senior Citizen Pass, special passes for elderly individuals, usually available at reduced rates. Remember, the types and duration of bus passes might vary based on the country or city you're in. Using a bus pass is simple. 1. Purchase. Buy the bus pass from designated counters, online portals, or sometimes directly on the bus. 2. Display. Always keep your bus pass handy. Some buses have electronic scanners, while on others, you might need to show it to the conductor or driver. 3. Travel. Hop on and off as many times as you wish within the validity period of your pass. Cost-effective. Buying a bus pass can be more economical than purchasing individual tickets, especially if you're a frequent traveler. Convenience. No need to carry exact change or wait in line to buy a ticket every time. Environment-friendly. Encourages the use of public transport, which reduces traffic and pollution. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, bus pass, and its significance in daily life. The next time you're thinking of commuting, consider grabbing a bus pass and making your journeys smoother and more economical. Happy traveling!